so getting this video started, we are going to go through the little haul portion that I have for you, and then we are going to get into the decorate with me. So the first two things that I'm going to share with you are new cookware, which I am so excited about. I actually used one of them this morning to cook my breakfast, and it was amazing. So the first one that I got is this fry pan. First off, I love the color of it. If you guys can't already tell, white is one of my favorite colors. I love this like wood detailing on the lid and the handle. So this cookware is all non-stick and non-scratch. I was honestly amazed when I was making my breakfast this morning at how well this cookware performed. I cannot wait to use this for our dinner in the future and just cooking in general. They did also send over their Dutch oven, which is going to be great, especially for fall and winter time with making like soups and chilies. Dutch ovens are just a great cookware piece to have in your collection. So this is what the Dutch oven looks like. Again, has the wood detailing here on the handles and on the top. This Dutch oven is pretty big, so you definitely can make a decent sized meal in here. You can also make breads in Dutch ovens, which I want to try and tackle sometime this year. I have never tried to make my own bread, so hopefully this year I can try and conquer that challenge and see if I can do it. If you guys have any tips, leave them in the comments down below. I wanted to give you guys a close-up of their 10-inch fry pan. I love the octagon shape of this pan. I've never seen another one like it. It is incredible how the non-stick technology works in this fry pan. I made some eggs and potato this morning, and it was just absolutely incredible. I cannot say enough good things about it. So if you guys are interested in checking out A Home Plus cookware, I will have a link in the description box down below for you guys.